Hi guys, I want to quickly show you how you can claim your CSCS airdrop. Simply click on this CSCS airdrop here, and you will see this page. You see this deposit, start deposit. If you deposit like any amount like 10 USD or 20 USD, just click on it. You will see you will receive 2 CSCS. If you enter future trading, just click on it. You also receive 2 CSCS. If you begin spot trading, like you start trading, you will also receive 2 CSCS. If you refer a friend, like once you register, you receive 1 CSCS. If you find a friend to trade, you will also receive 5 CSCS. And likewise, if you recommend a friend, that is, if your friend trade and reach 100,000 trading volume, you will also receive 10 CSCS. Alright, see you in the next video.